Okay, children, now we are going continue the same chapter, fraction. Then now we are study the fractional areas. Last class we are discussing parting time, timing parts. So many topics we are learned. Then the next topic is fractional area. We already studied that the area, perimeter. Do you remember? Area of a square, area of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, like that. We remember. Okay. Now we are going to study the fractional area. The first question is, what is the area of a rectangle of length 5 centimeters and breadth 3 centimeters in square centimeter? Then what is the units of area? Square units. Which units is given? You write square centimeter, square meter, square centimeter, square meter. Like that you are writing the units. So, first of all we are studying the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length means L, breadth means B. Then area of the rectangle equal to what? L into B. Length is equal to, in this question, L is equal to what? 5 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. So the area is equal to 5 into 3 equal to 5 3s are 50 square centimeter. What is the unit? Square. SQ is the short form. The square, the short form is SQ, square centimeter, cm. What the short form of centimeter? cm. So the answer is 15 square centimeter. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, L into B. What is the area of a square? Area of a square, side into side. Side into side. Means what? S square. Side into side is equal to S square, S into S. Side into side. The area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of a square is equal to side into side. We should study these two equations. Okay, children. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Then what is the next question? What is the area of a rectangle of length 5 1/2 centimeters and breadth 3 1/3? We are studying the fractional area. So we are doing the problem is fraction numbers. Understood? Then length is equal to 5 1/2. Then area is equal to what? Area is equal to length into breadth. L is equal to 5 1/2. Breadth is equal to 3 1/2. This is the mixed fraction. How to do the mixed fraction? First of all, mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction. So you are doing 5 1/2 into 3 1/3. 5 1/2 into 3 1/3. How to do this mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction? How to do this? Whole number fraction into denominator plus numerator. 5 into 2 plus 1/2 into 3 into 3 plus 1/3. Then what is the answer? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11/2 into 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10/3. 11/2 into 10/3. Then how to do the fractional multiplication? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. You remember that? We learned that last class. How to do the fraction multiplication? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That's all. 11 into 10. What is the answer? 11 into 10. 110. 11, put 1 0. 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? 110/6. This is also improper fraction. Then we are doing the question is mixed fraction. So answer is also mixed fraction. Understood? So we converted improper fraction converted into the mixed fraction. Okay. Then 110 divided by 6. Then how many 6 in 11? How many 6 in 11? 1 6. Because 6 2s are 12. You need that. Only 11 is there. So 1 times 6. Then 50. Then 11 minus 6, what is the answer? 5. 0. Please write down. 50. Then how many 6 in 50? 8 6 are 48. Then minus. 0 minus 8 possible? No. 1 borrow from 5. 0 become 10. 10 minus 8? 2. Then what is the answer? Quotient is 8. Remainder is 2. Then denominator is 6. Then I have to write quotient into remainder by divisor. Whole number part is quotient 80, 2 by 6. Then what is the answer? 80, 2 by 6 square. Centimeter is there. So we also write centimeter. Then what is the answer? The area of rectangle is equal to 80, 2 by 6 square centimeter. Because the question is given in the mixed fraction, so we also write the answer is also the mixed fraction. Understood all? Okay, I hope you all understood how to convert the mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction and the improper fraction converted into the mixed fraction. You study well that conversion. Okay, children. Then what about the third question? The length and breadth of some rectangles are given below. Calculate their areas. Then first one, length L is equal to what? 4 1 by 2 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 3 1 by 4 centimeter. 3 1 by 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Then area is equal to length into breadth. So we are doing 4 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 4. Then we are converted mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Write the same denominator. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4. 13 by 4. Then I have to write this 9 by 2 into 13 by 4. 13 into 9. We are using the table 9. 9 3s are 27. 2 is the carryover. 9 2s are 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. What is the answer? 117. 4 2s are 8. So 117 by 8. Understood? 117 by 8. This is also improper fraction. So the improper fraction converted into the mixed fraction. 117 divided by 8. How many times? 8. How many 8 in 11? Only 1. 8. 11 minus 8. What is answer? Count 82, 11, 9, 10, 11. 3. 37. Then how many 8 in 8? 37? 4 times. 32. 4 3s, 4 8s are 32. 7 minus 2, what is the answer? 5. So we are getting the quotient, remainder and the denominator. Then I have to write this is the mixed fraction. 45 by 8 square centimeter. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this problem. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask in the class time. Okay children. Okay children, now let's discussing the next problem. Then what is the area of a square of side 1 by 2 meter? Is this you already studied the area of the square. This area of the square, side into side or S square. Side into side. Area of the square equal to side into side. Side equal to what? 1 by 2 meter. 1 by 2 meter means what? 1.5 meter. 1.5. Okay. Then area equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. This mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction. Then how to 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Again do this. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Then how to multiply the fraction? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. Again we got the answer is improper fraction. The given question is mixed fraction. So this improper fraction again converted into the mixed fraction. Understood? Okay, the 9 divided by 4. Then how many 4 in 9? 2 times. One is 2, 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 1 is the carryover. Understood? So this is the quotient. This is a remainder. Then how to write the improper fraction? Quotient into remainder by the same denominator. Then how to write quotient into 2 1 by 4 meter. The area of this square is 2 1 by 4 meter. Understood? First of all, one side is given. Area of the square equal to side into side. Side equal to 1 1 by 2 meter. So side into side is equal to 1 1 by 2 into 1 1 by 2 equal to. This is the mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So we got a 9 by 4. This is a improper fraction. Again this converted into mixed fraction. So we do the division. We got 2 1 by 2 meter. Understood? Then what is the next problem? The perimeter of a square is 14 meters. What is its area? In this problem, perimeter is given. In the above problem, the previous problem is one side is given. But this problem is perimeter is given. Then first of all, you should study perimeter of the square, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter area of the square, area of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the square? How many sides in one square? 4 sides. What is the perimeter? I add these 4 sides. That is the perimeter. So perimeter of the square equal to 4 into side. Side means S. Then we write 4S. S means side. 4 into side. Okay children. So 4 into side. 4S is equal to what? 14. That's already given. So we can write 4S is equal to 14. S means side. So how to find out the side is equal to what? This is the multiplication. Then this 4 is taken to the right side. This multiplication becomes division. Multiplication becomes, this is the left side. Then take these 4's in the right side. This multiplication becomes division. So 14 divided by 4. 14 by 4. Side equal to 14 by 4. This is what? This is the improper fraction. So improper fraction converted into the mixed fraction. We do the improper fraction converted into the mixed fraction. 14 divided by 4. Then how many 4 in 14? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. Then 4 minus 2 at 2. Then we got what? Quotient, remainder, the same denominator. Then 3 into 2 by 4. Okay, you look at this fractional part, 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Any common factor is there? 2 and 4 has any common factor? Have any common factor? Yes, 2 is the common factor. 2 how many times of 2? 1 times. How many 2 in 4? 2 times. We got what? 1 by 2. So 3 2 by 4. The 2 by 4 is the common factor is 2. So we are doing the shortcut method. Then we can write that 3 1 by 2 meter. This is what? This is a one side. One side equal to what? We got a one side. 3 1 by 2 meter. We got a one side. 3 1 by 2 meter. Okay. So one side is getting. Then how to find out the area? Area of the square is equal to what? Area is equal to side into side. Area is equal to side into side. So one side is already getting what? Already got the one side. 3 1 by 2. Then area is equal to 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 2. Then this is a mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Into 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Then how to multiply the fraction numbers? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 7 7s are 49. 2 2s are 4. What you will get? 49 by 4. This is also improper fraction. Is converted into mixed fraction. 49 divided by 4. How many times 4? How many times in 4? 1 times 4. 0. 9 how many times? 9 how many times? 9. 2 times. Then what? 3 2s are 8. 1 is the carrier. 1 is the remainder. 12 is the quotient. We got what? 12 1 by 4 meter. Then area of the square equal to 12 1 by 4. 12 1 by 4. Understood? This question is not, one side is not directly given, but here is given is the perimeter. So, first of all, we are writing the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. Then using this equation, we will find out the one side measurement. One side equal to 3 1 by 2. We already know that the area of the square equal to side into side. So, we do it 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 2. Then 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This is a mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. We got 49 by 4. This is also improper fraction again converted into the mixed fraction. We will get answer is 12 1 by 4. So, you should study the equations, the perimeter of the square, area of the square, perimeter of rectangle, area of the rectangle, everything. Okay children, let's wind up the class now. Okay, we will catch up later. Bye.